So after the price of Bitcoin fell to about $17,000, which is about 3 standard deviations below the mean price in the daily time frame, we have seen the bulls stepping and the bulls have been pushing the price higher. But we could soon see a pullback very soon for Bitcoin. So in this video, let's look at the Bitcoin chart for our daily market update. But before doing that, welcome to the channel. My name is Seth and I cover the stocks and crypto market. So make sure you don't miss out on any market updates. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications. Now let's jump right into it. So at the moment, we are looking at Bitcoin's chart in the daily time frame. And from the daily time frame, we see that Bitcoin's price is currently trading in this descending channel pattern. And this descending channel pattern is usually a bullish pattern. So at some point in the future, I do expect the price of Bitcoin to break above this trend line that is acting as resistance. I do expect Bitcoin to break above this resistance line and break higher and push higher, right? But in this video, I only want to focus on the shorter time frame. So let's look at the shorter time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame to see what is likely to happen in the next day or two. So let me clean up a little bit and let me go to the 4-hour time frame. And now from the 4-hour time frame, we see that Bitcoin's price is currently trading below this ascending channel pattern. So this ascending channel pattern is usually a bearish pattern, right? So Bitcoin's price is currently trading below this ascending channel pattern. We broke below the support line of this ascending channel pattern, and at the moment we see that Bitcoin's price is currently trading below that, right? So from pattern analysis, it looks like things are happening just as expected. Bitcoin's price, I believe, will come down lower if Bitcoin is not able to hold above $20,000, right? So when we look at the VPVR, we see that between $20,800 and the $20,000, Bitcoin has a good amount of support over there. So if Bitcoin's price is not able to hold above $20,000 and Bitcoin breaks lower, then I expect the price of Bitcoin to come down lower to about 19,500, right? When we look at the VPVR again, we see that between 19,500 and $19,000, Bitcoin has some good amount of support over there, right? So if Bitcoin's price break below $20,000, then I will expect Bitcoin's price to come down to about 19,500 or $19,000. But that will probably happen if the stock market continues lower. So if the stock market continues lower, then I expect Bitcoin to push even lower to about $19,000 or 19,500, right? Let's look at some technical indicators to confirm that as well. So let's look at the RSI. And looking at the RSI, things are looking bad, right? The RSI has broken this upward trend line. Let me clean up and draw that properly. So the RSI has broken this upward trend line, and the RSI is currently under 50, under 50, right? The RSI is currently at 47, and this is trending. This is trading below the midpoint, the midpoint, which is around 50. So things are looking bad, and I do expect Bitcoin's price to continue lower to about 19,500 in the next day or two. Let's look at some momentum indicators also to confirm that. So the momentum indicators over here are also showing that Bitcoin is losing momentum. We are losing buy momentum at the moment, right? The buyers are slowing down, and now sellers are taking control of the market, and the sellers are selling Bitcoin at the moment. So I do expect a little bit pullback for Bitcoin, right? The MACD over here, this MACD line, the blue line, is currently curving downwards, and I do expect a little bit more selling coming soon for Bitcoin, maybe to about 19,000 or 19,500, like I said before. Let's look at some momentum indicators. Let's look at this one as well. Let's look at this is the squeeze momentum, right? And the squeeze momentum is also confirming that Bitcoin is losing momentum, right? So the buy momentum is slowing down, right? The bulls are slowing down, and now we are seeing some sellers coming to the market, and things are turning bearish at the moment. So I do expect Bitcoin's price to continue lower to about $19,000 or 19,500, like I said before. So if the stock market drops lower in the next day or two, then I do expect the price of Bitcoin to drop lower to about 19,500 or $19,000. But now do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications.